Hey, Jonathan here at TopSaw. Today I'm going to work down in this canyon removing some small oaks with my new Husqvarna chainsaw pants. So I like these pants a lot, and I'll just kind of show you how they work today. I'm going to go over these Husqvarna protective pants. They're chainsaw compliant. They do say they're really good to stay cool in. That's kind of always the problems I've had with these protective pants, is that they're so hot. It is winter, but it's a hot day today nonetheless. So here they are, pretty heavy duty. Side vents right here. It just goes through to a breather, pocket, cell phone. Oh, zippered back pockets, that's pretty nice. Hook for suspenders, repair gear. Oh, zippered front pockets, reinforced knees. Yeah, let's put them on and see how they go. These are the mediums. They actually fit pretty well. I'm a 32. They call these 32 34s, but they actually fit. All zippered pockets. Nice reinforced knees. Not too heavy. I think I could probably climb in these. They weren't cheap. A couple $100. I do like these vents in the back. I'll leave those open. Okay, here I am starting work. This is a fuel reduction project where the homeowner's insurance company wants the trees separated, maybe 15 feet between the trees, and the canopy's not touching. So I'm kind of taking out select a few ones that are really growing out horizontally, and then trying to leave the most vertical ones and climbing those and cleaning them up. So trying to separate the canopies and separate the trees. These are all California live oaks, really dense, heavy wood. I think it's about 60 pounds a cubic foot. Where regular black oak or white oak is only 45 pounds a cubic foot. So it's really heavy wood. My two big issues here is I don't want the butts, these bottom blocks, to get away from me and roll down the hill. So I cut them about 95% of the way through and leave a little bit of bark. Then I break them off and then try and keep them on the uphill side of me. The other second issue is I really don't want any of these tips to get caught up in the other trees. Sometimes when that happens, it seems like you spend the whole day trying to pull a tree out from being caught up. One way to do it is put a rope in it, but here you can see I just screwed one up and got it caught up there, and now I got to kind of piece it down. So I kind of walk down the tree, cutting off 6-foot lengths until it drops out. And I'm just cutting up some of the brush down here at the bottom of the canyon. We're going to use a portable winch to pull a lot of it up. Actually, the homeowner is going to do most of that with the portable winch to just kind of get them started. This is really a cut and run kind of job where the homeowner is going to do all the cleanup. There might be enough of a window down here now where some of the brush could get burnt right at the bottom of this canyon. So here I am breaking off that bottom few feet and putting the wood back up above the stumps. Alright, so those are all kind of down. This one right here, I'm trying to angle up out of the other trees. Little face cut coming through the back. You know, the smaller ones, you don't have too much room for a wedge or anything because you don't even get your whole bar in there. So this one right here, I do get this one to come around quite a bit. So I have a face cut in here. I want to really get this one to swing up top. I think you kind of see it a little bit, how it's starting to fall down the canyon and then it closes on that face, and that brings it, more straight across the little creek at the bottom. Homeowner's filming here, very kind of him. You see it close that face right there, and then pops and stays out of the other tips. Here's a little one I screw up, small face cut, come through the back. you watch that face, it won't close on it. It actually just breaks off to the edge, and then the tip gets caught up there. So now I kind of have to climb down there and cut it into pieces and get the tips out. Pretty dangerous to do this. You really shouldn't do this unless you're completely trained. The safer way to do it is put a rope in it so you're far away and pull it apart. I'm really happy to have these Husqvarna chainsaw pants here. They don't sponsor me or anything. I just thought if some other people are interested in buying them, they can see how they are in the field first. I actually got these Husqvarna Technical chainsaw pants from Tree Stuff. I get a lot of my tree climbing gear at Tree Stuff. They're fantastic people, really high quality gear. Overall, I really like these pants a lot. I was nervous it'd be too hot. I mean, it was a February day, but it probably did get up to 65 or 70, and those little breather loops were fine. All right, well, if you liked the video, hit like and subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and thank you for watching. I appreciate it.